Package up the wall, low, low. Hey, wait now. If I'm not a father, if I'm the boys out to this shop, if I'm not a father, like you make a nigga want to get so, it's so make it happen, and we do good. Keep a food, like you have a dada. What's all of the money of a dada? Like you make a nigga want to get so, it's so make it happen, and we do good. Keep a food, like you have a dada. What's all of the money of a dada? It's all but then it goes, it must go. But then it goes, it must go. Everybody should be very shaming it. Let's talk about it and say we're not shopping. But see, we're trying to make a debate, your money make a debate, your money make a debate, your man. We're trying to make a debate, your money make a debate, your money make a debate, your man. We're trying to make a debate, your money make a debate, your money make a debate, your man. We're trying to make a debate, your money make a debate. Let me take you guys to South Africa. Everybody bate, bate, bate. You say bate, bate, bate. You say bate, bate, bate. Everybody bate, 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 bate. Everybody bate, bate, bate. You say bate, bate, bate. Everybody tell me, oh, no, no. Yeah, wait, I'm bate. Everybody tell me, very shabby there. Let's talk about it and say we're not shopping. I'm in the set. I'm shopping, but you got it. Everybody bate, 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 everybody bate, 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 bate. I'm shopping. Yo, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Somebody is in the Kulubi soon. I got a name of Uncle MC. Somebody. I'm going to my Thomas and I see Bob. I'm going to my Thomas and I somebody. I'm going to my Thomas and I was a singer. Somebody. For the Kulubi and my Thomas and I give my song. I see my Thomas and I see. My man, I'm going to go see and I give my Thomas in. My man, but it come close. The night go, as a one boy, then I get boga. Households, can I let go? But I live back, when he had go, or when he can't take, or business no force. Who can they got? Not the same boga. Who the time that? What's on the two road? Got the food that, over the so cold. But it come close. The night go, as a one boy, then I get boga. Households, can I let go? But I live back, when he had go, or when he can't take, or business no force. Who can they got? Not the same boga. Who the time that? Let me take you guys to Alexa Salvation. I'll get you to Canada. I'm going to go. Who can I have a motor? I'm a coconut. Let the shine, but take a book to pass down to Canada. So, I'll get you to Canada. I'm a Canada. Who can I have a motor? I'm a coconut. Let the shine, but take a book to pass down to Canada. Say, wait, I'll get you to Canada. Come on, I'm a coconut. Who's that? I'm a seven tonight. Down to Canada. I'm a singer, my dad. Who's that? I'm a Zuma. Who's the Maha? I don't come on. Who's that? I'm never do my girl. I'm a seven tonight. I'm to Canada. What's up? I'm gonna teach you guys something else, man. Listen, when I say, ay-ya, ay-ya, you say, oh, yo, 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 ay-ya, ay-ya, ay-ya. Never say, ay-ya, ay-ya, ay-ya. Never say, ay-ya, ay-ya, ay-ya. Asiba nice, Siba. Asiba nice, Siba, Siba, Siba. Asiba nice, Siba, Siba. Asiba nice, Siba. Never say, don't get it cocoa. What's up, say, don't get it salsa, man. What's up, say, don't get it cocoa. Got the salsa, man. Got the cocoa. Show me got the salsa, man. You say 1, 2, 3, hey, whatever. I saw that he corner. I get this a bit of a corner. I get it for me, man, he corner. funa maphonde naman sayibona sayigone sayikhulumela sayikamande naman ikani zilimithi nowudikandengela ungabizi noma baziyindala zombili ekhona bangakhona siyaphambili hey man isilane ekhini sengeyingane ebhekini engithi hayi ngoba sebhani sengithumela namabhodini engithi sibhenda amabhili ekosela abantwana nabashalbhilivi ebangibhenda we go one we go two we go one two three hey man asone nikhona sabezo babona engithi ngoba imali engithi sabanabo engithi asone nikhona engithi sabezo Mamela, I need everyone to move like me. Everyone, let's go. That's what you guys do, you understand? We're having fun here. We're having fun here, you understand? Where my ladies in the building? Where my ladies? What's up? I want to dance with my ladies tonight. What's up? What do you guys think on? Hello, nice, hello, nice. Hello, hello. Okay, so my man, I'm just a time, we're just vibing out, you understand? There's no need for you guys to speak. You guys need to just listen. That's all I guess. And then, everybody, can you feel it? You say, can you feel it? Everybody tell me, whoa, no, no. So, yeah, wait, so, you got nobody, got nobody, got nobody. If you know what, if you know nothing, go we ask it. If you know nothing, go we ask it. Open up, put some Right about now. If you guys have your cups, if I'm up here, I need to see, I'm up here, Bezulu. If I'm Bezalanis, I need to see your hands in the air. I need everyone's hands in the air. Everybody say, Biri Baru. Come on. I should be come this side, I need to see you guys participate. I need everyone's hands in the air right about now. What's happening? Okay, let's try like this. I see it. And you say, Come shake some ass here, man. Come on, man. Where my dancers here? Where my dancers? Do you guys have dancers here somewhere? Here in the back. In the back there's dancers. Oh, I see. Sir.
Hey buddy. Oh yes sir. Hey buddy.
Oh, yes, sir. Hey, buddy.
Can you feel it? I say, can you feel it? Above now, above far now.
I say, boys are delicious.
Say, boys are delicious.
Above now, above far now.
I gotta show me the cheese. I gotta show me the cheese.
Yeah.
Samba sote. Ushobani.
Ushobani. Ushobani.
So I want everyone to understand. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Samba sote. Samba sote. Shut Oh Lolo, yeah, you win. And it's a warning along the Maka. And it's a warning along the Maka. Ebamna, Navafana. Boys are delicious. Boys are delicious. I say, can you feel it? I say, can you feel it? Yo, man, I just want to say thank you. We go by the name of Scotland Kings. That was the Killing Yona and the crew. We just want to say thank you for everyone who pulled up. You know what I'm saying? We're humble. Hope to see you again. Peace.